already 9? We're running behind. Mike, get up. We overslept.
What time is it?
Our plane leaves at 10.
10? Oh no! All right, let's hurry.
Megan, Tom, wake up. We're leaving.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No, not today. We're flying to Brazil.
Brazil? With rainforests and monkeys?
Yes, but only if we get to the airport on time.
I'm awake. Where's my red t-shirt?
In your drawer. And Tom, please look for your shoes.
I can't see my shoes anywhere.
Here you go, little adventurer. Your shoes are under your pillow again.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Okay, passports, tickets, chargers, snacks? Where did we put the snacks?
In the white bag.
And did we bring coffee?
Of course. No journey starts without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my favorite book.
Great job, sweetheart. Tom, what did you pack?
My toy car and my hat.
That's all? What about your clothes?
Oh, right. Clothes, too.
Maybe he plans to stay on the beach forever.
Very funny, Mike. We still need a taxi.
Already ordered. It'll arrive in 7 minutes.
7 minutes? Oh no, my hair isn't brushed yet.
Mom, you look great.
You always say that. Nice try, dear, but I still need to fix it. Okay, let's check everything. Passports?
Check.
Tickets?
Check.
Snacks?
Check.
Chargers?
Double check.
Perfect. We're almost ready.
Wait! My bear toy!
Again? Where did you leave it this time?
On the bed. Let's move before it's too late.
Good morning. Airport?
Yes, please. Terminal 1.
Got it. Hop in.
I'm so excited. I've never flown before.
Really? This is your first time on a plane?
Are there bathrooms on planes?
Yes, very small ones. Like toy bathrooms.
Cool! I want to see one.
Not now, Tom. Wait until we're flying. Oh no. Traffic. Come on, move.
Relax. We're okay. The airport is close.
Mom, what's Brazil like?
There are beaches, volcanoes, jungles, and lots of animals.
I want to see a sloth.
And I want a quiet beach with no phones ringing.
And you? No phone at all? Impossible.
Maybe just one. Only for photos.
And ice cream. We have to eat ice cream there.
Deal. Ice cream every day.
Yay! You'll love it!
Brazil is wonderful. So green and alive.
Have you been there before?
Yes, once. The rainforest is incredible. Just don't forget the mosquito spray.
Oh no! Mike, did you pack it?
I think so.
You think so?
I'll buy one at the airport, okay? Don't worry.
All right. But the passports better not be a maybe.
Relax. I have them right here.
Mom, look! Planes! I see them.
Finally, we're here.
This is it. Terminal 1. Have a nice trip.
We will. Okay, explorers. Let's find our gate.
And maybe get a snack?
And maybe a souvenir.
And maybe we'll still be on time.
Let's go before there's another maybe. Brazil, here we come. Wow, look how many people.
Yeah. Airports are always crowded in the morning.
It feels like a giant shopping center.
I see planes. Real ones.
Yes, sweetheart. We'll be on one soon. But first, we need to check in.
Let's find the airline desk.
Over there. Gate A. Line for Brazil. Perfect.
Mom, what does check-in mean?
It's when we give our passports and tickets to the airline, and they give us boarding passes.
And then we fly?
Almost. After that, we go through security.
What's security?
They check your bags to make sure nothing dangerous is inside.
Like toy gun?
Exactly. So no toy gun today, okay?
Okay. But I have a toy bicycle.
That's fine. Bicycles are safe.
Good morning. Where are you traveling today?
Good morning. We're flying to Paraty, Brazil.
Great. May I see your passports?
Here you are. 4 passport.
Thank you. Any bags to check?
Yes, these 2 large suitcases.
All right. Please put them on the scale.
This one might be heavy.
Let's see. 20 kilos. That's acceptable.
Oh, good. I was worried.
Here are your boarding passes. Gate 14. Boarding begins at 10:30.
Mom, what's a boarding pass?
It's a small card with your seat and gate number. You need it to get on the plane.
Oh, like a ticket to the sky?
Exactly.
Mine says window seat. What does that mean?
It means you'll sit by the window and see the clouds.
Yay, I want to see them.
Oh no, look at this line.
Don't worry. It goes quickly.
Why do we have to take off our shoes?
For security, they check everything carefully.
Shoes too?
Yes, shoes as well. Safety comes first.
Please take off all metal objects. Watches, belts, loose change.
Oh, right. Do I need to remove my chain?
No, this can stay on.
Look at me, I'm already flying.
Save that excitement for the real thing, champ.
Finally, we can sit. Time for coffee.
For sure.
I'll get the coffee. Kids, what do you want?
A burger, please.
French fries.
1 burger and 1 fries. Got it. Here it is. Second breakfast today.
Thanks, Mom.
These fries are delicious.
Careful, don't drop them on your t-shirt.
Too late. Vacation mode activated.
Mom, what is Brazil like?
It's warm, very green, and full of nature. There are rainforests, beaches, and animals everywhere.
Do they have monkeys?
Yes, lots of them. And bright birds too.
Can we swim every day?
Every day if you want.
I just hope we didn't forget something important.
Wait a second. Did we pack sunscreen?
Uh-oh. I think I left it at home on the counter.
Oh no, Mike. We'll burn in the tropical sun.
Relax. We'll buy some when we land.
You always say that.
And it always turns out fine, right?
Maybe. You're lucky, you know.
Dad is always lucky.
That's because I married your mom.
Oh, stop it.
Attention, please. Passengers traveling to Paraty, Brazil. Boarding at Gate 14 will start in 5 minutes.
That's us. Let's go.
Yay! We're really going to Brazil.
Let's run.
Hey, no running. We'll make it on time.
Okay, family. Passports and boarding passes out.
Check.
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 All right, Team Brazil, here we go. Next stop, adventure. Okay. Everyone fastened?
Seatbelts on. Ready for takeoff.
I can see the wing.
Me too. It's huge.
Good morning, everyone. Please keep your seatbelts fastened as we prepare for departure.
Whoa, we're moving fast.
Hold on, sweetheart. We're lifting off.
Look, the ground is getting smaller.
And now we're above the clouds.
They're doing great. I was afraid Tom might get nervous.
He's more curious than scared.
True. And Megan is too busy watching her cartoon to notice the shaking.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Apple juice for the kids, coffee for us.
And maybe 2 small packs of sweets. Thank you.
These sweets are tiny. I like snacks on plane.
Everything up here is smaller. But fun, right?
Especially when no one has to cook.
What was that?
Just a bit of turbulence, honey. Like driving on a bumpy road.
Oh, okay. Then we're fine.
It feels like a roller coaster.
Exactly.
See? It's smooth again.
Can I look out the window now?
Sure. Wow. The clouds look like cotton candy.
I want to taste one.
Save that for Brazil, buddy. Real candy there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing shortly in Paraty. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Did you hear that? We're almost there.
Finally! I can't wait to see the monkeys.
First, let's make sure all our bags arrive.
We did it! We didn't crash!
That's not something you say out loud, Tom.
But yes, we made it.
There are so many people here. Look.
That man has a sign. Let's see. John's family. That's not us.
Wait, what about this one? Alicia Braun?
Oh no, close. But my name is Alice, not Alicia.
Hello. Are you the Alicia Braun family?
Almost. It's Alice, not Alicia. But yes, that's us.
Oh, sorry about that. My mistake. Welcome to Brazil.
He wrote your name wrong, Mom.
That's okay, sweetheart. Now we have a funny story.
At least he found us.
Please come with me. The car is outside. Feel the air.
It's so warm and soft. It smells like flowers. I hear birds.
Are those parrots?
Maybe. We'll see soon.
Welcome to Brazil, my friends. Hotel Santa Clara, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you.
I can't wait to swim.
And see the rainforest.
One step at a time, you two. Let's get to the hotel first.
Agreed. After all that flying, I just want a bed.
Same here. We made it.
We sure did.
Brazil, a brand new adventure. And that was the first day of our family's big journey. From the early morning rush to the busy airport, we somehow arrived. What comes next? Let's just say there are still a few surprises waiting for us in Brazil. Stay with us and follow our little adventures full of fun, laughter, and a few oops moments along the way. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next part of our Brazil adventure.